Republic Act 9208, or the Anti-Trafficking Against Persons Act of 2003, is the country's first law against human trafficking. However, it barely covers baby trafficking because it is a relatively new way of exploiting people.
Ang source ng most victims of trafficking, infant ito, are the rural areas. Ang migration nila, ang movement nila, papunta sa urban centers or urban areas. This is also true to not only in infant trafficking, but even in sex trafficking.
Given the loopholes in the law, some people manage to exploit the babies under the guise of adoption.
Very noticeable dito na yung lalaki is already in his late 60s or 70s.
The American
guy. So you can imagine 5-10 years from now, he will be needing.
But not all adoptions end up with exploitation.
5-10 years from now, that baby will already be healthy enough to have her organ removed.
But not all adoptions end up with exploitation.
Right? Diba? To love the child. So it's not exploitation. So it doesn't fall here. Okay? So what you want to do is make a paper to amend this law and make it an issue.
This is Clara Palma reporting for Investigative News.